In Trimble Access Stakeout, after a point is measured, you are prompted with the Confirm Stake Deltas form. This default form displays name information about the staked point, deltas to the design point, and information about the design point. Did you know that you can change what's displayed? Under Stakeout Options, you can change the stake deltas format to one of many templates. A simple example is the point stake markup, which removes all excess information except for the VDist to make it easy to mark up your stakes. This form has been configured to display the delta in blue if it's a fill value, and in red if it's a cut value. If the delta is exactly 0, then the delta will display green. You can even create or customize your own confirmed stake delta form. I'm going to demonstrate how to edit the basic point stake markup stakeout report. Navigate to the Trimble Access language folder in Program Data to see the stakeout reports currently on your controller. To edit a survey report, open it in a text editor like Notepad++. The content of the stakeout reports is an XSLT style sheet, and these can be easily edited. Here I am changing the value where we display the deltas as green from a tolerance of 1mm to 100mm. I'm also going to change the color for a cut value to be purple and cyan for a fill value. Next, I'm just going to change the title I give to these deltas in the form by editing the stake deltas element. Now, I will save this file, restart Trimble Access, and stake another point using this new stakeout report. Note we have a cut vertical distance, and the delta is displayed in purple as we coded it in the survey report. Next, we'll stake a fill value, and this time the delta is displayed as cyan. Finally, when we stake within the tolerance we coded into the style sheet, the delta displays green. There are many other style sheets available. A good example of a more complex stakeout report is the Point Stake Multiple Elevations report. This survey report calculates the offsets to multiple design elevations from your current elevation, providing you with the values to write on the stake to minimize the time spent manually calculating values in the field. Style sheets can be very powerful and be customized to fit any workflows. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on another video.